Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, go back to home screen and enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app, storage usage. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache messages app. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, the last solution is reset network settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and you will see reset network settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if not receiving MMS messages on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.